I understand that CBD is classified as a novel food. Could you explain to us what this means and what the implications for community pharmacists are?
The regulatory body in the UK, which is the Food Standards Agency, as I've mentioned, require all CBD products to have submitted a novel food application by the 31st of March 2021. So that date has come and gone. So in other words, there shouldn't be a product on the market unless it's submitted that application. Now, there will be products on the market, so one does need caution when selecting a particular brand. And I will come to some pointers on that in order to select a product that is going through the correct regulatory process. Novel food was defined as something that wasn't regularly consumed before 1997. I don't know why it should be that date, but you know, some examples of it, if you know chia seeds, they're novel foods. And I read of one just this morning, which is really interesting. Migratory locust food supplement has just been given a novel food license. So that's the situation with novel food. But, you know, on coming back to a serious point, this regulation needs to happen in order to keep consumers safe.
Ah, right. Thank you. And I've heard you say that the role of the community pharmacist is vital. Could you enlarge on this a little bit for us?
The community pharmacist really does play an important role in talking to their customers when they're asked questions about CBD and providing some answers. And that is because they're in a unique position of trust within the community. People are much more likely to go there than to ask someone in Tesco or in any of the other supermarkets where they might see it on sale. They'll go to the pharmacist because they know they'll get advice that will help them keep safe and will suggest a credible product.
And finally, what is your message to community pharmacists?
Certainly, I think I've already indicated one needs to be cautious about the brand of CBD if they're looking to stock a CBD range. So the type of questions to ask any potential supplier would be, firstly, have they applied for their novel food application? And it's very easy for someone to say yes, but if so, what is the application number? Everyone who's applied to the FSA then gets an application number within the process. And they start with RP and then there's a series of numbers. So that's easily verified. Secondly, ask if they've conducted toxicology studies. And if there's any hesitation there, that is a real red flag because it's a condition of the novel food licensing process that toxicology studies are undertaken. Certificates of analysis are also very important. And if you look at that supplier's website, there should be a link to certificates of analysis for each batch that's produced. So if that's not available, again, it does question. If they're doing that testing, they'll want people to know about it. It should be there. Also, no medical claims are authorized for CBD. So if any company is making medical claims, it will treat, prevent, cure, anything like that. That is another red flag. And lastly, do they make the dosage very clear for the consumer so they can stay under that 70 milligrams per day?
Moyra Cosgrove, thank you very much for giving us so much detail about the therapeutic use of cannabidiol. I'm sure we'll be hearing much more about this in the near future. Thanks again. For more information about Moyra Cosgrove's work and the therapeutic use of cannabidiol, please visit our website using the link in the description. And don't forget to sign up for more news, journals and videos. For updates straight to your inbox, please sign up using the link below. And thanks for watching.